Hi, my name is Raisa Khan. I am an APM engineer at Foresight Operational Technologies. Did you know that mining companies can eliminate unplanned downtime from pit to port using Aspen's Mtel prescriptive maintenance solutions? For instance, monitoring cutter motors on continuous miners to schedule planned maintenance can result in substantial saving. Aspen Mtel uses machine learning to optimize scheduled maintenance for ultra-class haul truck engines, resulting in a 10% reduction in maintenance spend. Taking early, less intrusive action on your crusher conveyor decreases the likelihood for a major asset breakdown, saving on maintenance costs and production losses. Mining companies can keep their mills and conveyors running by ordering spare parts well in advance, reducing repair times by up to 30%. And finally, my favorite application is using data to replicate the wear pattern of a faulty pump and then to apply that data to additional pumps to maximize overall operational efficiency. Did you know that you can contact us today for a free consultation to identify your prescriptive maintenance roadmap? Follow this link and learn more.